Wow, I have a dinosaur jigsaw here. Can you help me put the pieces in the right place? Yes, thank you. Okay, let's look at the first piece. I'm so excited. Oh, can you tell me what this dinosaur is? This one is a very long word. This one's a Parasaurolophus. Can we say it slowly? Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. Shall we sing it? Are you ready? Parasaurolophus, 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 Parasaurolophus. Well done! Shall we put him in the board? Are you ready? Where do we think he goes? I think he might go in here. Yay! Oh, there we go. Yay! Well done! Shall we see what the next one is? This is an Ankylosaurus. Can we say it slowly? Ready? Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. You ready? Shall we sing it? Ankylosaurus, 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 Ankylosaurus. Well done! Let's see where he goes. Are you ready? Oh, does he go in this one? No, he doesn't go in that. Oh, I think he could go in this one. Yay! Well done! Shall we have a look at the next piece? Oh, what's this one? This one's a Pteranodon. A Pteranodon. Oh, shall we say it slowly? Pteranodon. Pteranodon. Well done. Ready? Shall we sing it? Pteranodon, 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 Pteranodon. Well done! Should we put him in here, look? Oh, does he go in this one? Does he go in the sky? He does go in the sky because he's a flying dinosaur, but I think he goes in this one. Yay! Shall we have a look at another flying dinosaur? Yes? Okay. What's this flying dinosaur? This one's a pterodactyl. Shall we say it slowly? Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Shall we sing it? Pterodactyl, 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 pterodactyl. Well done! Shall we see if it goes into the other part of the sky? Are you ready? Ooh. Yay! Well done! Oh, can you tell me what this one is? This one's a Triceratops. Shall we say it slowly? Are you ready? Triceratops. 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 Well done. Shall we sing it? Triceratops. 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 Well done. Shall we see if it goes in here? No, it doesn't go in there. What about here? No, let's keep looking. What about in here? Yay! Well done! You did so well. Can you tell me what this dinosaur is? It's a Stegosaurus. Should we say it slowly? Steg-a-saur-rus. Steg-a-saur-rus. Stegosaurus. Well done. Should we sing it? Are you ready? Stegosaurus. 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 Well done. Where does this one go? Does it go in here? No, it doesn't go in there. Does it go in here? Yay! Well done. Wow, we've got two more dinosaurs. Can you tell me what this one is? This one is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wow, or T-Rex for short. Shall we say it slowly? Ready? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Shall we sing it? Are you ready? Tyrannosaurus Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yay! Oh, two more. Are you ready? Does it go in here? No, it doesn't go in there. It must go in here. Yay! Oh, our last dinosaur. Are you ready? What's this one? This one's a Diplodocus. Shall we say it slowly? Diplodocus. Diplodocus. Shall we sing it? Diplodocus. 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 Well done! Wow! Thank you for learning dinosaurs with me and helping put the pieces in the right place. Yay!